Hello, back again, and now it's time for the floor, so keep watching. So now we're gonna work with the framing, so let's do it. So now the floor is done and it's very stable. You see, very stable here. It's very stable. So that's it. So now each place I marked this with this black, this one as well, you see, so I can screw in the right place. You see, this one and that, the same here as well, the same here and there and here. It will be the place to run the water system from the right to left. Okay, I will put some insulation here. As well, I wanted to put something to cover, and I got this isolation, and it is a roll, so I can roll it from the beginning to the end.
I will sand it very good, and after that I will put the vinyl floor. This vinyl floor, it's special vinyl floor for bathrooms. I was actually on my way to buy the normal floor, vinyl floor, but they recommend me to buy the vinyl that are specified for the bathroom and wet environments, just because the van can be cold and warm and cold and warm, and so that's why they say to me it's better. So it can, if you buy, they say to me, if you buy the normal one, it can be mold underneath it. So I didn't want to risk it and buy the normal vinyl floor. So that's why I just, it's much expensive, this one. It cost me around $500, but it's worth it at the end. It's water resistant, and yeah, so it will be great. But the problem was that there is no a lot of choices, a lot of colors for this special one. So I ended up with this light color, wooden color. For me it was better to choose this one, just because I don't want to take the risk to get mold in the car. That's why I did this one. Anyway, now I will try to fix this one. This is my new garage. I rented for finish my car. It was very hard to find the garage that fits this van. Anyways, so now I'm here. This is my small space to work with, and I will work with this. I already put this, and we will work with this bench. Put it here, close this side, and put wood filler and sand it. So I will prepare it to put the vinyl floor. So it's a lot of sanding and a lot of wood filler. This is just because the original floor was damaged. If you choose to put plywood, it will be much easier for you. It will be just to cover the screw holes that you made in the floor. That's it. But for me it was a lot of things, a lot of damages that I had to fill it with wood filler. And you see here the distance. I need to fix it, I need to fill it, sand it, and so on. So that's why I need first to finish this one, to put wood filler, then sand it all together. So let's go to the work. Hello guys, as you see, finally the floor is done. Perfect. And see here, I'm working in this side. Wow! I'm working on this side. I have done this angles to cover the unfinished areas, and look here, I put all oil on it, and this one will sit here, and here it will be the storage for some gears.